A beloved member of the Chattanooga community died after choking on food at a restaurant.
Now his loved ones are honoring his memory by trying to get life-saving devices into thousands of public spaces. News 12's Nick Hill is live in the studio. He's learned all about the mission of GregO2. Nick.
Good evening, Emily and Andrew. Greg Cresswell would have been 60 years old today. His family says that he lost the ability to breathe for 30 minutes last September, which led to his death. His family says that the Heimlich maneuver was not performed, but if a particular piece of equipment had been present, Greg would still be with us today.
But it's the Heimlich maneuver is an important maneuver to know, which is about 63% effective. LifeVac has been 100% effective.
Rob Cresswell and the rest of Greg Cresswell's loved ones were on hand at the Dominion Senior Living Home in Hickson to install the first LifeVac device through their new nonprofit, GregO2.
It saved over 600 lives. It saved seniors' lives. It saved infants' lives. It saved lives of people that live by themselves and perhaps gets choked, and they could actually save their own life.
The LifeVac machine is designed to be used when someone is choking. The device is placed on the victim's mouth, and it sucks the object they're choking out of their windpipe to free their airwaves. Dominion Senior Living is the first organization to jump on board.
We spoke to our team here at Dominion, and they've shared with us that they face many of these things often in terms of those who have challenges breathing or things getting stuck in their airways.
GregO2 hopes this is the first device of 3,400 across Hamilton County. They want the public to know that choking incidents can happen to anyone, as they say Cresswell was a very active individual. But they also want his memory to be a driving force to save other lives.
And Greg was the nicest person that you would ever meet. Mickey and Greg, they ran every morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, if that's not crazy. And Greg loved to run the bridges every morning. And so that was their thing, to get up early in the morning and run. And Greg was a giver. He wasn't a taker, he was a giver.
GregO2 hopes to have all these devices in all restaurants, nursing homes, schools, and first responder vehicles in Hamilton County. You can purchase these devices for your own home. These devices can be purchased through LifeVac with a discount code through GregO2. For more information on this organization and how to donate to their cause, visit GregO2.com. Reporting live, Nick Hill, News 12.